Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 29th, 2022. We're going to talk about Harmony One, and could a dump be incoming? Could we see the market actually crash in Harmony One? Don't worry about it. It's just a question I'm asking you all, because I'm going to show you from the price chart as to whether or not that's going to happen. You guys can see already in front of your screen that I do price predictions. So today's your first time ever clicking on my videos, my content. Welcome to the channel. This is what I do. I do the price predictions without the confusion. I don't come in and try to hype up cryptocurrencies. I don't try to come in and give you any FOMO, any FUD. I don't show you articles. I don't show you technical indicators. I simply look at what everybody else is doing with their own money. Whether or not they're trying to sell or they're trying to buy these cryptocurrency, it actually gives us a heads up as to where the overall market's going to go. So hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. I want to make sure you guys keep abreast as to what is going to go on into the market. So tap that bell notification as well. Okay, so check this out. This is a very long price prediction that I've had on this chart for Harmony One. I've created this price prediction in Harmony One since February the 24th, 2022. Okay, and throughout this time from then to now, I've done videos updating everyone who is interested in Harmony One about what I was seeing in terms of price movement. And you guys can tell that we're finally seeing the price coming into our area of profitability. You can finally see it. It looked like I was kind of ahead of the game. I was beating everyone else to the value of what Harmony One should be back in February. So I did an update video in Harmony One on March the 20th, which was right here. Okay. And I was still telling everyone on that particular video that I was looking for Harmony One to go down. Now look at it. Initially, it didn't go down. It didn't. It still went up. So I will say the only thing that I got incorrect on my price prediction, on my forecast, is that I should have lifted up my area of restriction. Instead of it being around 14 cents, I should have increased it up there to 18. That's where I should have had it. That's the only thing that I got wrong, that I got incorrect. I should have increased my restriction area up there towards 18 rather than 14. Okay. But outside of that, we're still on point. Outside of that, the market in Harmony One is still weak. So let's talk about this, because I created this horizontal line, right? You guys can see it. It's on the chart. We need to see buyers hold price here, right there around 10 cents. We are now trading below that line. That is where we could possibly see a dump, because if the buyers are not going to show up in Harmony One at 9 cents, at 10 cents, then maybe they might find value around 7, 8. If not 8 cents, then maybe 6. See, we have to prepare ourselves for these moves. In order for us to be competitive, in order for us to win in the market, we have to be ahead of everybody else. We cannot be reacting late. We got to be early. So let me go ahead and get rid of this, since the market in Harmony One is already hitting that area of that horizontal line that I talked about. So that's around 12-13%. Okay, cool. Now, I'm still forecasting that the price in Harmony One is weak. Okay, I'm still there. I'm still looking at the market in Harmony One is one of weakness. Why do I say that? Well, we're in the downtrend. Like, let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it 100. The market in Harmony One is not strong right now. It's not strong. If the market was strong, then we'll be able to see the price go up. But instead, we all visually can see prices going down. That's what we're doing right now. So it tells us that most of the market participants are selling. So if the sellers are winning, we need to be sellers right alongside with the market. We need to trade with the market and don't go against them, because the market will always win. So check this out. If I'm looking for the price in Harmony One to continue to go down, then obviously we need to lower our expectations. We need to lower where we can expect to see the buyers. This is the first area right here, maybe around 9 cents, but a bigger area of support that we can find buyers is around 8. Okay, so let me bring this down towards 8 cents, this horizontal line now. Okay, because I want to show you all how important this level was back in 2021, beginning of 2021, March, April timeframe. The market participants in Harmony 1 held this 8-cent price numerous times. So as we see price come down now, they need to show up again in order for us to see any indication that they don't want to let price fall below 8 cents. Because if they even break 8 cents to the downside, I'm already prepared to see the market come down to 6. I'm already prepared. I won't be scared. I won't be nervous because I'm already predicting, I'm forecasting that these things are probable to happen. It could happen. Okay. So look at this on the weekly. Now, a lot of the cryptocurrency space is looking the exact same way. Now, not everyone, not every crypto is going down, but this one is participating right alongside with the majority of them. It's going down. Look at that. That's nothing but weakness. I'm not here to confuse you. I'm not here to give you anything outside what you already can see. So why would you want to be bullish? Why would you try to come through and let somebody else convince you that this is a bullish market and that you should be buying these dips? No. Let the market tell you when you need to come in and buy the dips, right? The market will tell you when you need to come in and buy. Right now, they're not showing themselves. 3 weeks. 5 weeks. Monthly time frame. Like, look at the monthly chart. We have 1 day and 13 hours left for Harmony 1. And look at this April monthly price bar. What does that mean? Like, that's not even strength right there. The market currently is trading well below the last month's price. The low of last month. We are well below that low. You guys got to see the market for what it is. This is not a bullish market. This is not a buyer's market. And look at this. You don't want to see that. Do you see what I just did? We don't want to see the price right now in Axie Infinity. I mean, not Axie, in Harmony 1 break this trend. This was the trend. And you guys can see every monthly price bar, the market in Harmony 1 held it, except for this month. We broke it. That's massively bearish in the long term. Massively bearish. That tells me that the market is still geared to go lower. Now, if we would have saw this current monthly price bar, which it still can, I mean, we got a day and 13 hours left to close above this ascending line, then hey, the buyers are now back in the market. But being all the way down here at 9.5 cents and breaking this long-term monthly trend, it already tells me what to be prepared for. Okay. So now I'm looking for the price to go down in Harmony 1. Okay. Especially in the long term. So let's go ahead and get in position. Even if we see Harmony 1 go up in price, come back up towards 12, even comes all the way up here to this descending line. If we don't see price break this descending line, we don't have to worry. We know that the market is still weak. We're not going to be tricked. We're not going to be fooled into thinking that now is the time that the buyers are coming into the market. No, the buyers need to confirm on strength that they're willing to break this downtrend. They have to do that. And if they don't, then we already know what position we are in. We're in a good position. So let me go ahead and give you these 2 price targets real quick in Harmony 1. Okay. First price target is right here, around what, 8 cents. That's 15% movement to the downside. My second one is around 6. That's 35.45%. Now, for us to come down to 6 cents, it's going to be a while, right? So you got to give the market opportunity to move. Okay. I'm not saying that that's going to happen in the next week, 2 weeks. It's forecasted to happen over the next couple of months. All right. So now let me hit this back over to the daily. You guys heard my 2 price targets that I'm looking at into the month of May going into June. Okay. You guys heard my 2 price targets. We have what, 8 cents and 6 cents. Okay. Now, going back to what I've shown you on the monthly time frame, I want to show you again on the daily to show you that the trend in Harmony 1 is broken. Okay. So let me show you this, and then I'll let you all go because I don't want to waste your time. So you guys can see here on this ascending line that I've drawn that the market in Harmony 1 came and bounced off of the trend. That means that buyers came in and supported price. They wanted the price to go up, just like they did here. On February the 24th, 2022, the market in Harmony One came and bounced off the long-term trend. That confirms that is why price went up. Price in Harmony One came right back down to the trend. Buyers confirmed again that they was willing to prop up the price. That is why the market in Harmony One went up. We came back down. Buyers didn't hold the trend. It broke, retraded below that ascending line, and they came through right here on April the 20th, 2022, 9 days ago, to try to bring price back up above that trend. And you all can see that they did not do it. It got rejected. And since then, price has been falling. The market gives us the answers that we need. It tells us how we should be acting in this space. That's it. So I'm done. Now it's your turn. Tell me what you think. What is your price target? What is your price prediction into the market in Harmony One? Where are we going to go? Because don't forget, that is the advantage that we have amongst everybody else, is to already predict where prices are going to go, because people seemingly think that you cannot predict where prices are going to go. Well, you can forecast. Yes, you can. So now give me yours. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.